Welcome, creators. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of animation. Today, we're unlocking the secret to making captivating animated videos, and the best part? It's absolutely free. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you can create stunning animations without breaking the bank. All you need is just a computer, internet access, and of course, your boundless imagination. With these simple tools, you can craft stunning and engaging stories using the power of AI. We're about to revolutionize your creative process. The journey starts with a script. Think of it as your blueprint, the foundation upon which your entire animated video will be built. AI tools like ChatGPT are your invaluable writing partner, ready to brainstorm ideas, draft compelling narratives, and polish your script to perfection. It's like having a co-writer available 24/7. Start with a clear idea or topic that you're passionate about. What story do you want to tell? The more specific and detailed your prompt, the better the script that ChatGPT can generate for you. Clarity is key. For example, write a 90-second script about a lonely robot who finds a glowing flower in a post-apocalyptic city. Make it hopeful and heartwarming. With that, ChatGPT will generate a first draft, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. But don't stop there. Refine it, tweak it, and mold it to fit your vision perfectly. Read it aloud. Does it sound natural and engaging? Is the pacing just right, keeping your audience captivated? Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for further tweaks and improvements. For example, make the robot's narration more curious and innocent, or add more descriptive detail to the post-apocalyptic city, painting a vivid picture for the viewer. Go back and forth, experimenting and refining until the script feels just right and perfectly captures the essence of your story. This collaborative process beautifully blends your unique creative vision with the incredible speed and efficiency of AI. A strong, well-crafted script sets the stage for everything that follows, ensuring a smooth and successful animation process. Ready to take the next step? Let's move from words on a page to breathtaking visuals on the screen. Next up, we'll bring your story to life with stunning AI-generated images that will captivate your audience. With your script finalized and ready to go, it's time to bring your characters and scenes to life through visualization. This is where you'll start to see your story truly take shape. Leverage the power of Leonardo AI to transform your written scene descriptions into compelling visual representations. It's incredibly simple. Just copy and paste your script's descriptive passages directly as prompts into the AI. To maintain a cohesive aesthetic, carefully pick a consistent art style for all your visuals, such as a vibrant 3D render or a charming cartoon style. This will ensure a unified and professional look throughout your animated project. Don't hesitate to refine your prompts iteratively for even better and more accurate results. For example, try something like close-up of a friendly robot with bright blue eyes, gently holding a glowing flower, rendered in a high-quality 3D animation style. Now that you have your visuals, it's time to give your story a captivating voice that resonates with your audience. ElevenLabs offers a fantastic solution for generating realistic and expressive narration. The process is straightforward. Simply paste your character lines into the platform. Then, carefully pick a voice that suits each character and download the generated audio files. Take the time to experiment with different voices, accents, and audio settings. Keep tweaking the parameters until the voice perfectly matches your story's overall tone and the personality of each character. With both compelling visuals and engaging voiceover now ready, you're fully equipped and set to begin the exciting process of animation. It's time to bring your images to life. Let's dive into the magic of animation and add some dynamic movement to your creations. You can use free and accessible tools like Vidnoz or Magic Light. These platforms are designed to be user-friendly, even if you're new to animation. They allow you to effortlessly add motion to your images, breathing life into your still artwork. Simply upload your Leonardo AI-generated images to the platform of your choice. Then, let the AI work its magic, adding subtle and engaging movement to your images. Think of gently drifting clouds or gracefully swaying flowers and smooth, gentle zooms that draw the viewer in. The best part? No advanced animation skills are needed. The AI intelligently handles all the complex work for you. You can easily adjust the intensity of the motion, allowing you to perfectly fit each scene's mood and atmosphere. Use slow, sweeping pans for expansive cityscapes and subtle zooms for those impactful emotional moments. Once you're satisfied, animate each image individually, download the resulting clips, and keep them meticulously organized by scene for easy access. These short, captivating moving clips will transform your story from static and still to dynamic and engaging. This simple motion makes your video feel alive, polished, and professional. Now, with all our animated elements ready, let's assemble everything together into a compelling and finished film. The final step, it's time for the exciting part. It's editing your video directly in Canva. First, upload all of your animated clips, your voiceover, and any optional background music you've selected. Now drag all of your clips onto the timeline, placing them in the correct story order. Trim and carefully sync your visuals with your narration to ensure a smooth and engaging pacing. Add simple transitions and incorporate text overlays for that extra polish. Remember to keep fonts and colors consistent throughout. Use subtle background music, but always ensure your narration remains crystal clear. Carefully review your video from the very start to the end. Adjust the timing and overall flow as needed. When you're completely satisfied, export your masterpiece as an MP4 file. Congratulations! You've successfully created a complete animated video using only the power of free AI tools. Now share your unique story with the entire world.